Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
If not, now you playing in front of all. What'd you say?
I do all things for Christ.
Even flipping off the lady behind her. That was
Yeah.
Think about some of the things that will benefit you practicing during the summer. Things to think about, not necessarily shots to practice, some of these are shots to practice, but just things that I think about.
Be no next time to me in the eye. Not get you. They know you not my touch. You told me I ain't gonna let you spend the night. I love me in my eyes. You'll be alright.
Dumb as hell, buddy. Fucking God, come on, dude. Whoa, fuck you!
I don't know, the outside of it looks good. That's most of, like, where my concern would be. Oh my god. You idiot!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I just almost got into a wreck because of some dumbass. Holy shit.
The farm's just gonna expand.
This guy is...
Where are you at?
I'm at PetSmart and this...
What exactly are the allegations being investigated?
Jesus.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Those tuberculosis cases are largely originated from people
Okay, what the fuck?
And number 3 is that this tuberculosis is blood test, and in many cases, in addition to that, the chest X-ray to simply rule it out. However, when someone doesn't have those, especially if they're coming from endemic nations, which we're surrounded by, especially south of us, then there's
6 months later.
Very important today. So Oregon is obviously, you know, doing their thing, which it's not even.
He says, you know, I got her on the line. She says I got hit. Fuck crap, dude. I just got hit, man.
What, bro? You okay?
Yeah, no, I'm good. Yeah, the dude did.
Throw that in really quick, but yeah, I mean, like Jamie said, Gordon was the glue that held it together. He was like that father figure. Yeah.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.